Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 13th of April 2011. International markets closed sharply lower overnight after Japan upgraded the severity of its nuclear crisis. A weak start to the US earnings season was the major factor behind the equity sell-off. Crude prices were hit hard for a second consecutive session amid concerns high energy costs are hurting the economic recovery. Lower oil prices weighed most heavily on the US energy sector, whilst materials producers were hurt by a slump in metals prices. Alcoa was the biggest decliner in the Dow after reporting its results on Monday after the bell. The aluminium giant plunged 6% on disappointing sales, raising concerns over the impact of higher energy costs on company earnings. Our market is set to open around 20 points weaker following the negative offshore leads. All of the major equity indices finished in the red, with European markets amongst the hardest hit. Nearly all commodities were caught up in the rout, with oil and base metals recording the biggest falls. Overnight, the SPY crept up to a high of 49.20 before falling away in line with Wall Street. The index broke below the 4900 level later in the session.
Get free access to our daily reports and recommendations now. Visit australianstockreport.com.au/try.